Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you deep dives into the best products out there. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best heating pad for electric moist and dry therapy, the Thermatec Medical Grade Heating Pad, 2nd generation, in the extra large king digital size. Let's jump right in. This isn't your average drugstore heating pad. The Thermatec pad is medical grade, meaning it's the same quality you'll find in physical therapy clinics, chiropractic offices, and professional rehab centers. It's designed to deliver automatic moist heat, without you having to add any water. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to its flannel outer covering, this heating pad pulls in moisture directly from the air. When you power it on, that humidity gets drawn into the pad and then transferred to your skin as deep penetrating moist heat. It's a process called fomentation, and it makes a big difference. Unlike dry heat, which only affects the surface, moist heat penetrates through to your muscles and joints. This helps improve circulation, relieve tightness, and reduce inflammation in areas like your lower back, neck, shoulders, and even joints affected by arthritis or TMJ. And if you're dealing with menstrual cramps, this pad has your back, literally. Let's talk size. The model we're covering is 26 inches by 14 inches. A generous king size that's perfect for wrapping across your back or covering your entire abdomen. It's flexible enough to drape over shoulders or thighs, and it's large enough to deliver consistent, even heat across big muscle groups. Now, here's one of the standout features, the digital pressure switch. This control system is simple but smart. You hold down the button to heat it up, and the pad stays hot for as long as you hold it. The moment you release the switch, the heat stops, and the pad starts to cool down. This means you're always in control, no more falling asleep with the heat still blasting and risking skin damage. It's safety-first engineering, built into a premium product. And despite being high heat, it doesn't overdo it. The heating levels are calibrated to deliver therapeutic warmth, not scalding temperatures. One setting is all you need because the temperature adapts to your body and the environment, making it both intuitive and effective. What makes this heating pad stand out is that it's backed by professional-grade design. Doctors and therapists often recommend moist heat over dry heat for injury recovery, and this pad is exactly what they're talking about. Whether you're managing chronic lower back pain, recovering from a strain, or just need relief after a long day, this device brings clinic-level care into your home. Setup is easy. Just plug it in, press the button, and feel the relief. No need to soak, no need to microwave, and no messy hot water bottles. It's a clean, efficient, and professional solution to everyday pain. And while this version is the extra large king, there are other sizes available, like medium, mini, and even neck and shoulder specific pads, so you can pick what fits your lifestyle best. So, to wrap this up, if you're looking for a reliable, safe, and clinically trusted heating pad, the Thermatec Medical Grade Heating Pad with automatic moist heat is more than worth your attention. It combines smart technology, effective pain relief, and hassle-free use in one sleek, white flannel package. This has been Product Critique, your trusted voice for breaking down the best products on the market. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.